Hello students, welcome back. In this section of the Excel course, during this lesson, I will demonstrate how you can navigate between workbooks quickly. So let's dive in right now. We have the workbook open called Navigation. Let's create a new workbook from the File tab. A new and blank workbook. Great! Suppose you work in a company and have several workbooks open at the same time, so it's useful to know how to navigate between multiple workbooks or to copy data from one workbook to another, or sometimes we need to see both workbooks simultaneously. Let me show you first how to easily switch between open Excel books. Go to View tab and click on the Switch Windows button. You can see a list with the open works, so it's easy to switch between them. Right now, we have only two open workbooks. Switch to Navigation workbook. If you use this kind of switching between workbooks frequently, the best you can do is to add the button to the Quick Access toolbar by right-click on it. That's simple. Now keep in mind, like most things in Excel, there are many ways to accomplish the same thing. So a faster way that I prefer is with Ctrl+Tab keyboard shortcut. First, we will create two new workbooks. Go to the File, New Blank, Workbook, and we created a new workbook. Do the same steps one more time. Okay, let's now try the Ctrl+Tab shortcut. Look how fast is it to move back and forth between open workbooks. Very useful, especially if you want to copy and paste Excel files. And alternatively, keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+Tab to do the same thing. There are several ways to switch between workbooks, and one of them is also Ctrl+F6. Fast and easy. You can choose whatever you want. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.